Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning class. I hope you are good in health, students. In the last lecture, we have done atom 14. Today, we are going to do item 15, and we will do the page from your active English book 1, page 13 and 35, page 34 and page 35. And this is your lecture 19. Going on to the next. In item 15, you will learn about the in, on, under. In the next page, you will learn about the use of behind, beside, in front of, and near. Yes, this is your book page, page 34, item 15. You will learn about in, on, and under. In this page, you can see the picture. You can see the table. What is on the table? Telephone, cat, basket, and under the basket, ball, bottle, and dog. And beside the table, you can see there is a cupboard, and in the cupboard, you can see the doll and teapot. Now we will start the reading from the number 1. The cat is on the table. Cat is not under the table, on the table. You can see in the blue color on, in, under in your page. So the number 1 is the cat is on the table. Number 2. The doll is in the cupboard. You can see the doll is here. The doll is in the cupboard. Number 3. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. The dog is not on the table or in the cupboard. The dog is under the table. Number 4. The basket is on the table. Basket is on the table. There is a basket. Basket is on the table. Number 6. Number 5. The ball. The ball is under the table. The bottle. The ball is under the table. Number 6. The orange is in the cupboard. Orange. You can see the orange in the cupboard. The orange is in the cupboard. Number 7. The teapot. The teapot is in the cupboard. Teapot. See, this is the teapot. The teapot is in the cupboard. Number 8. Where is the telephone? The telephone is on the table. The telephone is on the table. Number 9. The bottle is under the table. The bottle is under the table. Here, page 35. The same item, item 15. In this page, students, you will learn about the behind, beside, in front of, and near. You can see the picture. In the picture, you can see the cat, dog, seat, and the girl is sitting on the seat, and you can see the tree behind the seat. Now we are going to start from number 1. The girl is on the seat. You can see the girl. The girl is on the seat. Number 2, the tree. The tree is behind the seat. See, this is a seat and the tree is behind the seat. The tree is behind the seat. Number 3, the seat. The seat is in front of the tree. The tree is behind the seat, but the seat is in front of the tree. Number 4, the dog is beside the tree, seat. You can see the seat. This is the seat, and the dog is beside the seat. This is a dog and this is seat. So the dog is beside the seat. Number 5. The dog is near the girl. The dog is near the girl. Number 6. The cat is not near the dog. Where is cat? You see, this is a girl and this is a dog. The dog is near to girl. But you can see the cat. Cat is not near. The cat is far. The cat is not near the dog. There is a distance. So the cat is not near the dog. You have to learn the spelling also, and please try to understand what is the meaning of behind, beside, in front of, and near. Now we are going to do the read aloud words. Read aloud dictation words with ER. First word is ear. Ear. You can see the picture of ear. 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 E R A R. Ear. 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 Always if ear, the last letter will be R. Ear. The next word is see. See. SEAC. See. Seat. 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 First sound is S. The last one T. T. Seat. 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 The next word is near. 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 Just like ear. If you will add N in the beginning, so it will be near. Ear or near. Only you have to add N in the beginning. After near, teapot. Teapot. TEAT. Pot. 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 Teapot. The next word is teacher. Teacher. First T-E-A-T. Just like teapot, T-E-A-T. Then ch. C-H. Give the sound of ch. Just like chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. T-E-A-T, chair. Chair, C-H-E-R, chair. Teacher. These are your dictation words. You have to learn these words carefully with the spelling. These words will help you in your dictation. Ear, see, seat, near, teapot, and teacher. Here are some other examples of on, under, in front of, or behind, beside. You can see. So the picture one, you can see the cute kitten. So where is the kitten? The kitten is on the suitcase. The kitten is on the suitcase. on. Here you can see this one. So this ball is near to this block, near, not far, near. After this one, you can see here, this ball is beside the block. In this picture, you can see Mickey's. One Mickey is in front of the block and one is behind the block. You can understand in a good way. See, this Mickey is behind the block, but this Mickey is in front of the block. Here you can see the ball is under the box. See, the ball is under the box. The ball is not on the box or in the box. The ball is under the box. Next. Students, this is a page from your Active English book work page, workbook page. You have to complete this one. You will see the picture carefully. Then you will complete. You can see in picture number 1, box and ball. Where is the ball? You will see carefully. Then you can see the ball is in the box. Number 2, where is the box? On the box. Like this one. Number 3, under, in. So see the pictures carefully. Then you have to complete this page with the help of the words in, on, and under. Okay, in the next page we are going to complete this page. Okay, number 1 is already done for you. Okay. Number 2, where is the ball? The ball is on the box. Picture 3, the ball is under the box. Picture 4, the bottle is in the box. Picture 5, the bottle is on the box. Picture 6, book. The book is under the box. Next one, the cat is on the box. The last one, the cat is under the box. Now we will do the next page. Here students, you will do the practice of behind, beside, in front of, and near. See the picture carefully, then you have to complete this one, who is sitting behind, beside, in front of, and near. We will complete this one. Umar is behind. Umar is behind Uzma. Umar, where is Umar? You can see the Umar is sitting behind here. This is Umar. So Umar is sitting behind. Zaid. Zaid is beside Azma. Zaid is beside Azma. Number 3, Maruf is in front of Azma. Maruf in front. You can see Maruf is in front of Azma. Sarah. Sarah is near the window. Here is Sarah. Here is Sarah and here is a window. So Sarah is near the window. Next one, Azma is behind Maruf. Sixth one, Sarah is beside Azma. Last one, Azma is in front of Umar. Students, our item 15 is completed. You have to revise carefully and understand in, on, under, and beside and in front. Okay, then learn the spelling of read aloud words. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.